Welcome to Educulate Academy, where we offer coaching classes for students from grades I to 12, as well as preparation for various competitive exams. Our courses are designed to provide additional support and guidance to help students excel in their academic pursuits. Joining an Educulate class comes with numerous benefits, including personalized attention, exam-oriented preparation, structured study material, and performance monitoring to ensure students are well prepared and confident. Our coaching classes cover a wide range of subjects, including mathematics, science, English, social studies, and various engineering and competitive exams, ensuring comprehensive academic support. We employ interactive learning methods, practical application of concepts, and customized guidance to make learning engaging and effective for every student. Our experienced faculty members are dedicated to guiding students towards academic success, providing mentorship and support throughout their learning journey. Our success stories speak for themselves, with many students achieving top ranks in competitive exams and gaining admission to prestigious institutions, backed by positive testimonials from past students. We offer flexible payment plans to accommodate different needs, with course fees varying based on duration and subjects chosen. To enroll in our coaching class, simply contact us for more information and complete the registration process to secure your place.